Once the deal is closed, the real work begins. In this video, I will show you how to manage your customer accounts end-to-end in Folk, so nothing slips through the cracks. First, we recommend managing accounts in a company-based pipeline. Each company represents an active customer, and your pipeline stages could look like this. Closed when a deal just signed, onboarded when onboarding is completed, to upgrade for customers with an active upgrade being discussed, running for active customers, and in renewal when renewal is in progress. This gives you a clear, shared view of where every customer stands at any moment. But feel free to add any custom stage that suits the way your business operates, of course. And note that you can also visualize this view in deal mode if you have multiple deals running with the same clients. On top of your pipeline, you can create different views to segment customers based on what matters to your team. For example, VIP clients with high contract value or strategic accounts, or North America clients filtered by geography. You can segment by contract size, region, industry, or any other custom field that's relevant to your business. To stay aligned as a team, we strongly recommend a weekly pipeline review. We recommend to go through the board stage by stage and discuss any pending action or blocker for existing customers' upgrades or renewals. Whenever you have a customer meeting, make sure the notes are captured directly on the account. Ideally, you kept a record of notes taken during the sales process to give a full picture of the relationship with this customer, even if these notes have been taken by one of your teammates. For example, you can use a note-taking tool like TLDV, Clap, or Grain. You can configure it to automatically paste meeting summary as notes and a link to the recording. You will be able to use this to get a refresher whenever you need to jump on a call with a customer, along with sharing context with other teammates. Also, feel free to leverage the Recap Assistant in order to summarize past interactions and notes, including from other teammates. You will also be able to search through these notes. Just head to the global search and type anything. Renewals and upgrades are critical, and they shouldn't rely on memory. With Folk, you can automatically create renewal reminders and use the API to trigger reminders X days or months before renewals. This ensures that every renewal is anticipated and followed up on time. Finally, bring everything together in dashboards. Key metrics to track could be new customers closed, customers by geography, and customers by contract size. This gives you a real-time overview of account health and portfolio performance. With the right pipeline, consistent reviews, automated reminders, and clear dashboards, account management becomes structured, proactive, and scalable.